25 times daw sa possession kasi nung first half exposed si Junmar doon. He needs to stay low para mas malaki din yung chance niya to get those rebounds. Out-rebounded sila nung first half. On the side of Converge naman,
Lamang ng San Miguel dalawa. Largest lead tonight has only been 7 para dito sa San Miguel Beerman. King down low. Will attack Abueva. Si Calvin nag-start na para sa Converge. King tumalbog. Nagawamba rin ang angulo. Katapat sina Garcia, Abueva, Stockton, Arana, and Franklin. So upo muna yung Mikey at Juan Gomez de Leaño na starting backcourt. George King on the throwdown.
Dahil nadulas siya, so he leaked out.
Ross trying to get rid of the pesky defense of MJ Garcia. King down low, kicks it out. Don punches it through. Wando already has 8 points on 4 of 8 shooting. Si Mikey medyo matumal, 1 of 4 shooting lang for 2 points. As Lassiter lights it up. Ito na ang San Miguel.
Yes. Isolation ito para kay Junmar, but looking for the outside shot.
King drives a bit closer, 16-footer.
Deadly talaga yan when he's able to put the ball on the floor and come up with it.
29. He's on the brink of yet another 30-point performance, which will actually be his 8th in a row. Binigyan tayo ng impormasyon ni Serge Fidel. Way back, ano ba to?
No, only last year.
January 15, Doc. Yung January 15, pero nanalo pa rin yung bossing, no? 96-86. 26 lang ang ginawa ni George King, no? Converge, moving it around. Ross stopping Franklin. 4-ball. Di umubra para kay Juan. Abueva with the board. Calvin doing the dirty work.
He's been fighting, no? But,
Junmar didiin. Jump hook, kapos. Abueva with the board. Juan GDL over to Franklin on the run.
Nice
Out
pass.
na si Alec. Nakita ba si Justin? So yung pinakamalaking kalamangan na 14 puntos, bumaba bigla sa G's.
you have to make stops for you to be able to come back. Oh, nako.
Lassiter burns them. That's a long 3. Trollano off the secondary. Dispalinghado. Arana dribbles out of trouble. Abueva 3-on-1. They go to Franklin on the run. Trollano inside. He just cannot be stopped, Doc.
Yeah, ang ganda kasi ng passing ng San Miguel eh. And because they're quick to move the ball from side to side, nagkakaroon sila ng magandang path to the basket.
Stockton sa kabila. Make that Juan Gomez de Leaño.
Sabi ni Laster, pagbigyan niya na ako nun. Kahit wala tayong rebounder, I had to attempt that.
Nakadalawa na eh. Heat check time. Abueva loses it. King on the move. 1 to beat. And 1 pa. Para kay George King yun.
May ilang points na nalo ang San Miguel sa Converge? 9 ba yun?
Netong nakaraan, 6. Ay, hindi. 6. 128-122.
Okay. Taas 128 points. Ngayon,
1 from the outside. No. King para sa rebound.
ayaw na tumira ni Mikey.
Trollano hindi nahihiya. And that is a conference best 24-point performance na para kay Don. Bibigay kay Mikey. Ayaw talaga, Dok. Arana, though, keeps it there. 1 to Justin Baltazar.
And you know, if he doesn't shoot, he has no help to the team because wala siyang ginagawa eh. Ilang beses siyang open, you know, ayaw pa niyang tumira.
King inside.
And they can. 3:09 left in this third quarter.
Franklin, push shot. That stops the bleeding somewhat para dito sa Converge. Mikey hesitates, pulls up from the elbow. Mikey in and out. Baltasar taps it to the wrong man. Ross forward to George. Mikey trying to tie him up, pero masyadong malakas yung King doon.
Yeah. Any resistance on the one-on-one with King.
Juan Gomez off the window, rattles home.
Hindi ba natapik yun? Natapik ni Baltasar.
2-minute warning na the third.
Somebody is open.
Brondial, who scored 8 in that first quarter run. Abay touches it to King.
At saka alam ni Leo Sone. So, hanap tayo mga,
Yun, no?
mga shooter katulad niya. Aalisin sila sa zone.
Lassiter now with a total of 9 points, all in the third. Mikey again. This time he feeds Paulie. Junel knocks down the three.
So good substitution yun.